Hey, so if you're looking for a good work table or just a table that you can do your filming from, or you're gonna work some arts and crafts, I'm gonna be actually unboxing this table that I bought from Cosco. Okay, it's not to be mistaken by Costco, but it's Cosco. And it's a 53-inch wide table, but it also folds up in case you don't have the space or you want to keep it out all the time. So I'm gonna unbox it, see how it works, put it together, and let you guys take a look for yourself. Okay, so this is the packaging of it. Everything looks like, I think everything's actually put together, it looks like. Go ahead and get this out of the way. Okay guys, I wanted to give you the final product here. Table's definitely sturdy, supports, I think it said 400 pounds. The casters on it are really good too. It's really easy to move. I mean, they definitely go around pretty well. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how easy it is to fold. And this is it, it moves around really easy. You can lock the casters too. So let me go ahead and, there you go. That's all it takes, and there's a lock on this side that locks down once you do that. And now you can move it around and store it. Really easy to move, definitely like it. I mean, even the bottom doesn't even look like it's gonna really hit, but in case it does, it looks pretty sturdy. And when you wanna use it, just undo the latch that's here, and then just fold it out like that. I weigh almost about 190 pounds, so I'm liking it.